Right, I got a review for you today. This is a company that approached me and said, do you want to review a water tester? Portable water tester. And I thought, do you know what? I've never seen that before. That could be really cool. If you're one of these that loves drinking from the streams, you know, you should really be treating it. But you could just use this tester and it'll give you an rating from poor right up to excellent. Now they recommend calibrating this first before you use it, so I'll show you how to do that now. To calibrate it, I got some deionized water. Okay, hold this down. Calibrate. Successful. So that should say it's 100% now. 96. Oh, 99, sorry. Really easy to use. Just pull this off. You put this in the water and it'll tell you the exact quality, and it gives you all the information on the back there. Now, notice a little water source down here. Now, at first glance, it looks really clean. So let's try this out to see what this shows. Right, that is really interesting. It's come up on here. It looks clean and it says that it's actually good quality. So that should be safe to drink. All these details on here, I'm not exactly sure. Oh, here we go. Gives you all the information on the back. Chemical oxygen demand, total organic carbon, total dissolved solids, blah, 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 blah. So it gives you everything you need to know whether you could be drinking that water. And it looks like I can. So here's a closer look at that water. Now you can see it does look pretty clean, but there still are some bugs in there. Perfectly fine for dogs, but humans get a bit of an iffier belly. Let's test the quality of tap water. I'm expecting this to be really high. So we've got 91, excellent. I've always been a bit skeptical about whether these can improve water quality, so I think that should be the next test. We'll use tap water again. Let's see if we can get it any higher than 91. It is coming through. We're supposed to like suck through these. Okay, I think we got enough there. Let's test this out again. So, at least in this case, it hasn't improved the quality at all. It's 91 still, which is excellent, but I would have thought it would have gone up a little bit, going through the filter. Let's try this manky bit of water in the garden here. Eight. That's the lowest I've seen. I mean, obviously you wouldn't drink that, but that just shows how bad it is. Now, I don't need to think I'm just going to rely solely on this, okay? We've got a sort of built-in instinct with water, and you can sort of tell if it looks good or not, but quite often if you drink now streams, there could be a lot of bacteria and parasites and things like that. This will actually pick up how much of that is got in there. Now, although this is good, it's not excellent, so you could still get a little bit of an iffy belly with it. You want to try and be looking for excellent. Now, normally at the end of the video I'd hold it up and I'd say, if you want one of these, click the link below. Guess who left their rucksack up the mountain? How on earth did I do that? I don't know. I was on the bike. I had the bike bag on there and I thought that's all I brought, so I left the blick in. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I think it's a really cool thing. Could come in handy, and it's just really interesting to test out. Hopefully I can go and find it, because otherwise I gotta get another one. Right, thanks for watching. That link is below if you fancy one. Cheers.